Hey there, tech fans. Rick here again with another review, and today I have the Blink outdoor camera and the solar panel mounting kit. Now, I was really excited to see this accessory released because I love the Blink cameras, and I've talked about them before. I've done reviews of them, and I think they're a wonderful solution if you need to put a camera in an area outside your home where you have no electricity. Maybe it's on a tree way in the backyard. It connects over your Wi-Fi network, and it operates on 2 alkaline batteries. And my only complaint, and it's a small complaint, is that it operates on 2 alkaline batteries because eventually those batteries are going to wear down. I have to get up on a ladder, I have to pull the camera down, swap out the batteries, and put it back up again. Now, you're supposed to get 2 years of battery use under normal operating conditions, but that definition is pretty wide as far as what's normal because I like high resolution images, I like a lot of images, I like longer clips, so obviously if you adjust the parameters to have higher quality image with longer clips, you're going to use the batteries quicker, and mine last about maybe a year, a little over a year, but I'm still out there changing those batteries. So when I heard Blink was coming out with a solar panel kit, I couldn't wait to get my hands on it, and here it is. So I'm going to talk a little bit about what makes it special, but I wanted to start with an unboxing just to show you everything that's included with the kit. Now, the version I have included the camera, which is great because I needed another camera for the backyard. So it's the Blink outdoor camera. You'll also find they include 2 alkaline batteries, which I think is a really nice touch. A lot of times you buy a product like this and there's that little fine print on the bottom of the box that says batteries not included. And you get it home, you open it up, you're all excited to use it, and you got to run out and get batteries. Anyway, the batteries are included. I also think it's nice they include a mounting kit. They include a couple of screws and some bushings in there that if you have to drill it into concrete, you pretty much have everything you need to mount it. Now, as far as the solar panel kit goes, all of this is the solar panel kit. Actually, this comes with the camera. This is a little tool that allows you to sort of remove the back to change the batteries. It also is an adjustment where you can pop it on a normal mount and you can vary the angle of it considerably, but that's included. Now, as far as the solar panel kit goes, the main housing assembly right here has a solar panel on the top of it, and then it's got a cable on the bottom that you plug into the camera to actually provide the power from that solar panel. But they took it a step further, and I'll explain that in a minute. All right, included as well is a cover because you can pop the solar panel off there and locate that up to 2 feet away from the housing. So you could mount this in one location to get the perfect shot you need from the camera and move the solar panel somewhere else to face the sun because it has to get as much sunlight as possible. And when you do that, this cover pops on the top of it to keep it weatherproof. In there's a 2-foot cable that allows you to extend it, like I said, 2 feet away. The important thing to remember is if you have to mount that solar panel to the house, you can't just bolt it on your house. So they actually include another mount. They call this a volcano mount for obvious reasons that you can mount to your house and put the solar panel on the outside of it. Also included is a full instruction manual. As full as it is, they really want you to use the application with the QR code right there to show you how to install it. But if you own any Blink products at this point, adding this camera is exactly the same as adding other cameras. All right, so let me talk a little bit about what makes this special. Inside this housing is actually a battery. It's a 18650, which is a lithium polymer battery. So essentially what you're doing is you're using the batteries in the camera normally, but as the sun charges the internal battery here, when it reaches a level that it can supply power to the camera, it takes over from these batteries. So they're no longer being used, and the power from the internal battery here is actually powering your camera. So if you have a couple of days of really bright sunlight, you're going to have plenty of power in here to power that camera and won't have to worry about using any battery power, which is perfect because these will be there if you've had some cloudy days or some rainy days or some snowy days where maybe the sunshine wasn't enough to charge that battery internally. These guys will kick in. But just think about that for a second. If 80% of the time I'm using the internal battery here, that means 20% of the time I'm using these guys. Just imagine how much longer I can operate this camera, maybe forever, if I've got a really bright backyard. And I also think they did a great job in the design of this. Now, next I'm going to take a closer look because it's really hard for me to show you all the nooks and crannies inside here and how it connects and everything else. So I'll do a closer look, and then I'll come back with some things that I think really separate it from other solar panel solutions on the market because I know there are a lot of third-party products that you can buy bolt to the side of your house and then sort of connect up to the camera. And I want to really talk about why I like this one a little bit better than some of the other ones that I've tested. So stay tuned. Next I'll take a closer look, and then I'll come back and explain some of the cool things that I think they really got right with this particular solar panel kit. Inside the kit, you'll find the Blink outdoor camera, a mounting kit, which I think is really nice. They include that, which has a bunch of screws and some sleeves in there. So if you need to mount it in wood or mount it in concrete, you've got everything you need. You'll find a set of alkaline batteries. Again, nice addition to give you batteries to actually operate the camera. And you'll find the tool to open up the back of the camera, as well as the ability to mount the camera on the standard Volcano mount like this, and then move it around quite a bit. So it gives you a lot more flexibility. Really clever device. They've actually built a product that allows you to open the back and reposition the camera in one tool. So pretty cool on that. You'll also find a full instruction manual included that lists connection diagrams, some basic information of how to use the product. Really, you want to scan that QR code right there, and that'll give you all the information you need to set it up. Now, as far as the module goes, the actual solar panel module, these are the things you really care about. So the module itself has got the panel on the top, and it would be great if that was removable, and they thought of that, so it is removable. I'll show you that in a second. But if you've got it in a position where you can actually have this attached to the module, I think it's a cleaner installation. So for me, I'm lucky in my backyard, I'm putting this on a tree that has good sunlight, and it also is looking at the area that I need. On the bottom, inside, it's completely sealed, and this is the connection you'll make to your camera to use the power that's on the 186350 battery inside there to actually power your camera. So essentially, if you're going to use this as one module, you'll snap your camera right here on this Volcano mount. You'll pull the cover off the back of your camera, that little rubber stopper, plug this into your camera, make sure you have batteries in it, plug this into your camera, snap it on here, and you're good to go. If you need to move this, like say for example, the camera's facing this direction, but the sun's facing that direction, you can actually pop this off the mount. It sounds horrible when you pull it off, but there's a 2-foot extension cord right there where I can mount this up to 2 feet away facing the sun, so the camera can face this way and actually point that direction and have this face the sun. And the way you'll mount that is you'll just take the other Volcano mount they've got, pop it on the back of the unit, just like that. Mount this to the wall and position it as you need it. And then when you're done, you can actually snap this cover on the top, let the cable come out the bottom right here, snap that on to make it weatherproof. So I think the team from Blink has really thought through what people need to use this kind of setup for, this accessory for, and they've really built in, I think, everything you need to make it as flexible as possible to really cover any issues you may have in the field. And again, what I like so much about it is it's got the Blink logo on it, which means I know it's going to work really well with my camera. I'm always worried that some of the third-party solutions out there may not quite be up to spec. So knowing it's made by Blink, the same people who make the camera, just really puts my mind at ease that it's going to work great. I hope that closer look was helpful. Now, here are a few things that I think really make this kit special when you're comparing it to other solar panel kits on the market. For starters, I like that it's a Blink product. What that means to me is that they've designed it to work perfectly with my camera. I know there's a lot of other solar panel solutions out there, but I'm always worried that they're not getting it right for a voltage and current perspective, and they may damage my camera over time because they're sending too much voltage because the sun's really bright. I like the fact that Blink built this. They know what they're doing as far as the camera goes, and they built it to be incredibly compatible with the camera. I also think it's a complete solution. It's really easy to pop the camera on this Volcano mount in the bottom, mount this on your wall, point this towards the sun, never have to worry about it again. As long as you're within Wi-Fi distance of your house, you're going to make a connection to the camera, put this on your shed, put it on a tree in the backyard, stick it on the kids' playground, whatever you want to monitor, just pop this on a wall and you're good to go. I like the fact that it mounts really easily. I think they also spent a lot of time thinking about how you're going to use the camera and how you're going to use the solar panel, because the big challenge there is the camera may need to point this way to cover a walkway or an area in your backyard, but the sun may be over here. And if the solar panel was attached to the camera permanently, I'd be facing the wrong direction to gather enough sunlight to charge the battery. So they made it removable where I can pop this off, spin it around up to 2 feet away, and use the second mount to mount that solar panel on the side of the house so I can capture all the sunlight I need over here and still monitor that area that I need to keep an eye on over here. In addition to that, they even included another cover you can pop on the top of it to keep water and bugs and bees and everything else out of the enclosure. They made it nice and tight. So this kit completely covers your need for an alternative power source for your Blink outdoor cameras. And again, it runs great on the alkaline batteries. I know I'm picking on it. I mean, a year of use out of a camera like this is pretty incredible on 2 AA batteries. But the fact that I have unlimited power, as long as there's sunshine, to power that camera means that I'm up, as old as I am and as goofy as I am, I'm up on a ladder way less with something like this on my camera. And I also love the fact that I can put it anywhere in my yard that I want. As long as I can see the sun, this is going to be drinking that sunlight, charging the internal battery, and supplying all the power I need to keep my Blink outdoor camera running. So hopefully you found this review helpful. And until next time, stay nerdy.